Hi, this is DavidKim with DavidKimGroup. Welcome to my newest listing on 4238 Rickeys Way, Unit M in Palo Alto. This bright and spacious end-unit townhouse offers 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and an open floor plan, flooded with natural lights and soaring high ceilings. Let me show you around. This is an exquisite and luxurious end-unit townhouse in the highly coveted Arbor Real community. Architectural features include soaring high ceilings, open concept floor plan, airy and light-filled spaces, seamless indoor-outdoor flow with a private balcony and patio. Ensuite includes 2 separate vanities, large soaking tub and shower booth, and walk-in closet. Additional features include hardwood floors throughout, kitchen and center island, breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and pantry. Bedroom on ground floor with ensuite, laundry room with washer and dryer, attached side-by-side 2-car garage, central air conditioning, prime location near many premier amenities. The community amenities include a pool, play structure, barbecue picnic area, green space, and a clubhouse with a kitchen. Top schools include Briones Elementary, Fletcher Middle, and Gunn High School. Experience the luxury living at its finest in this peaceful and quiet complex. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, please let us know. See you soon.